Hello everyone, welcome to your channel Sukh Academy EduWorld. Today we will discuss one question from UPSC Geo-Scientist 2024 exam. That's question number 104, and this question was related to peroxide effect. And in this question they provided you two statements. One statement they said the peroxide effect is observed for the addition of HBr to alkene but not for the addition of HCl or HI. And in the second statement, either of the two propagation steps for the addition of HCl or HI to alkene is endothermic in nature. Okay, and four options were provided. You have to pick one option as a correct answer. So let's discuss about peroxide effect. So peroxide effect is also known as Kharash effect. Peroxide effect. It is also known as Kharash effect. Okay, so this effect occurs on occurs to free radical chain mechanism. Free radical chain mechanism. Okay, and follow anti-Markovnikov addition. Anti-Markovnikov's rule. Okay, and this, if we consider two statements, in the first statement, they said the peroxide effect is observed for the addition of HBr to alkene, but not for the addition of HCl or HI. So this statement is correct. Peroxide effect is valid only for HBr, not for HCl and HI. In the second statement, either of two propagation steps for the addition of HCl or HI to alkene is endothermic in nature. So this statement is also correct. Okay, so if we discuss about peroxide effect that is shown by HBr, in that case, first of all, peroxide will undergoes homolysis. So first of all, we will discuss what is peroxide effect. So in peroxide effect, HBr is added to any unsymmetrical alkene in the presence of peroxide and light. So we will get our product. Okay. In the product, bromine free radical will added to double bond of. Actually, in the initiation steps, peroxide will undergoes homolysis and we will get alkoxy free radicals. Okay, in the further, this alkoxy free radical will help to generate bromine free radical. Okay, then this free radical will will added to double bond of unsymmetrical alkene. So let's discuss any one example. Let's say this is any unsymmetrical alkene. Okay, so this bromine free radical will added to this double bond with this carbon. Okay, so here this free radical will be generated, which is tertiary free radical. And this tertiary free radical is more stable as compared to primary and secondary free radical. Okay, and in the second step, again, these are two propagation steps. Okay, in the second statement, again, HBr will undergo homolysis and this H free radical will add to this carbon. Okay, so again, bromine free radical will be generated. So this will be our final product. Okay, so overall this is peroxide effect, this which is also known as Kharash effect and occurs through anti-Markovnikov's addition, and in this This product will be our major product, and other product like this product will our minor product. Will be our minor product. Okay. And if we consider the case of HCl and HBr, in that case, one propagation step, either of two propagation steps of for the addition of HCl or HI to alkene is endothermic in nature. Yes, if we consider HCl and HI, in both cases, one of the propagation step is endothermic in nature. But actually, students, to occur free radical mechanism, both the propagation steps should be exothermic in nature. Okay, and this, if for free radical, mechanism, both propagation steps should be exothermic, and this is valid only in the case of HBr. In the case of HBr, both these propagation steps are exothermic in nature. Okay, so that's why peroxide effect is shown only by HBr when it is added to any unsymmetrical alkene in the presence of peroxide and light. But if we consider the case of HCl and HI, either HCl bond is stronger, this bond is stronger than HBr. Okay, so that's why in the second step of propagation step, it is difficult. This is endothermic step actually. For the HCl, second step is endothermic. Okay, second step is endothermic for HCl because HCl bond is strong. So peroxide effect is not valid in the case of addition of HCl to any unsymmetrical alkene. So HCl will show Marconic of addition. Okay, so in this case, other product will be our major product. And similarly, if we consider HI, however, HI bond is weaker as compared to HBr, but to break it, we require little amount of energy. But and for that, for HI, the first step is endothermic. Okay, first step is endothermic, and endothermic reactions are also reversible. And it is difficult to get if we get iodine free radical. However, we provide energy, and this step is endothermic. Suppose this is first step of propagation, and this is endothermic, and we will get iodine free radical. But the issue is that in the presence of peroxide, this iodine free radical is combined with another free radical to form iodine gas. So that's why the reaction will not be proceeded, and we will not get any further reaction. Okay, so peroxide effect will not shown by HI also when it is added to any unsymmetrical alkene in the case of in the presence of peroxide. Okay, so overall our conclusion is that HBr shown anti-Marconic addition. Okay, that is peroxide effect. And but in the case of HCl and HI, these shows Marconic of addition. And in these cases, other product will be our major product. Okay, so let's take example like this example. In the case of HCl and HI, this be our minor product, and this be our major product. This will be our major product. Okay, because HCl and HI shows are shows Markovnikov addition. Okay. So in the case of HBr, this is major product and this is minor. Clear? So in the second statement, they said both propagation, either of the two propagation steps for addition of HCl or HI to alkene is endothermic in nature. Yes, that is. So if we consider two statements, statement 1 and statement 2 both are correct, and statement 2 is correct explanation of statement 1. Okay, due to unfavorable propagation step of HCl and HI, these will not show any peroxide effect. Okay, so peroxide effect is observed only for addition of HBr to alkenes. Okay, so A is your correct answer to this question. Uh, if you understand or if you have any query, if you understand, then please like, share, and subscribe the channel. If you have any query or any issue, you can write in the comment section. Thank you.